Why work with wood? Good tradesmen, tradeswomen are scarce. Why work with wood? Good tradesmen, tradeswomen are scarce. Your work will be in demand. Work and travel around the world. Be skilled and earn money and a living. I'm Ian Forsyth and work for the NRC. I've been here 14 years and I deliver NVQ level 2 and level 3 wood occupations. We're offering a level 2 apprenticeship in site carpentry and bench joinery. It's for a 2-year course. The consistence of it will be practical based units, theory based units, but it's all education in the college. Then you progress on to a level 2 apprenticeship, which it can be a 2-year course. Now, what consists of a level 2 apprenticeship, there's 2 courses. There's a construction diploma, which is vocational based. It means all your training and your theory all comes from the college. The second half of it is an NVQ diploma. It is competence based, which all the evidence comes from your workplace, but you have to be employed or have a placement to achieve that qualification. When you complete your level 2 apprenticeship, you can progress to a level 3 apprenticeship, which is to the higher level, and once you have this finished, you would be a fully qualified tradeswoman or man. The site carpentry would be mainly, you'd be working out on the workplace on the building site. This is where you'd put on roofs, you would fit doors, windows, door frames, stairs, floor joists. The bench joinery would be in the workshop, making or manufacturing likes of doors, windows, stairs, which then go out to the site to be fitted. Well, our staff, most of them have industrial experience up to 25 years. They have also been self-employed and have been employers. The staff that have finished their level 3 apprenticeship are now self-employed. Some of them are actually considering starting their own business, putting their own vans on the road, and they also have been working abroad, which is a big advantage when it comes to wages. So they have been in Australia and New Zealand. Some of our students also have done really well in competitions, the inter-campus competitions, Northern Ireland finals. We've got gold. 2018 we had one apprentice got gold at WorldSkills UK, and then he went on to South Africa. The college sent him on a cross-college visit to South Africa, and he won the European Alliance Apprenticeship Award in Helsinki in October 2019. Some of the boys they're working together there all week. Some of them are planning on going abroad. Some of them plan on going to England to put up timber framed housing. Some of them wants to go to New Zealand because their employer has been in New Zealand, which has been a past student here a few years ago. They went to Australia, New Zealand, done woodwork and farming. They come back. Now they have students of mine also employed for them that are already attending the college, so they know to understand what's happening in the college. No better support. They do come in and give speeches to the class. It does encourage the young lads to compete and do better for themselves.